This video is for designers and collaborators that want an overview of how to use Autodesk Drive, the place for you to securely store, preview, and share your 2D and 3D design data. You can access Drive from Autodesk account or the Autodesk desktop app. Once you sign in, scroll down until you see Autodesk Drive. Your administrator will need to give you access to Drive to start using it as part of your subscription. Click this link button and we'll send you to where you have to go to sign into Drive. Sign into Drive just as you sign into account using your Autodesk ID or email and password. First, click on the users icon and invite users to your Drive to begin collaboration. Subscribers will have full permissions like you, but will not be able to add or remove users. You can also select a specific file and share that data as a preview with collaborators who do not have an Autodesk ID. You have the ability to set a password for viewing and/or disable the ability to download. Drive lets collaborators view models and drawings right in their browser. No plugins or downloads needed. You can now collaborate with remote employees or outside partners with ease. If you want to remove a user from accessing data in your Drive, simply click on the user icon and click the trash can. To keep your collaboration work organized, upload files, add folders, and change the views to fit your personal needs. These subfolders show the work you share with your collaborators. Click Overview to see your full list of datasets. Drive is made for CAD, CAM, and BIM, so you'll recognize the data you need for a specific model or design and keep that dataset whole for you. Drive supports 60+ types of Autodesk and third-party files, so you can make edits to your CAD, CAM, or BIM projects, and Drive will manage any references automatically. Unlike generic cloud storage, Drive makes it easier than ever to organize and share design data. The desktop connector for Drive is a utility that will allow you to view data stored in Drive from your desktop. You can save your files locally or to your online drive and use the desktop connector to download files when you need them, preserving your local storage. To learn more, visit autodesk.com/drive overview.